Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what time it is? It is club time. That is when I get to show you what our Stamp and Die Hard Club members are getting this month. Now, our Die Hard Club members are getting a free gift as well. Woo, so if you're in the Stamp Club, you need to upgrade to that Die Hard to get those extra free gifts because they're so fun, and I'm not even going to show it to you. Boom, it's over there. Okay, are you ready? Now, as most of you know, if you're new to the Stamps of Life, we always do Christmas September. September 1st is when we do our Christmas, so then you'll have plenty of time to do your Christmas cards. Now, don't think for a second that we've forgotten fall. Don't worry, that's still coming, but we need to get our Christmas in ASAP, okay? Are you ready? Get set, let's go. It is called Jinglebells2stamp, and look at how gorgeous this is. Now, if you have any foil paper or our brushed foil paper, you're gonna love it for these jingle bells. Now here we have a very merry and blessed Christmas. All of those words are separate, so merry and blessed. So you could say have a very merry Christmas or have a merry and blessed Christmas. From our family to yours, jingle all the way, some extra little sprigs over here, some fun hearts to decorate your bell, some stars to decorate your bell, and Die Hard Club members, yes, you are getting the stamps that the Stamp Club members get and the dies that match. So you're getting both. Now you're getting the big bell and the shadow die, so there's two different ways to cut it out if you want to. The sprigs with the shadow dies and bow, and you're getting the cute little cutouts here. You're actually getting even extra sprigs as well. I kind of threw those in, but don't tell Ken, okay? Now, club members, yours are already on their way to you. Our club member, Ken gets up extra early to ship those out. Stamp Club members are getting the stamp set, $13.99 a month, free shipping. Die Hard Club members are getting the same stamps and the dies that match and that freebie. Now, I have some fun samples to share with you, but just know ahead of time, there are some sneak peeks in here. You definitely need to go watch the next video that shows the other add-on items that we have. So here we go. Look at how gorgeous that big bell is. And I see a couple sneak peeks on this card right away. Here's another beautiful bell, absolutely gorgeous. Cheryl made this one with our 3D inks on it, and I love the pink and the green. Isn't it pretty? It's always fun to do Christmas in different colors. I actually have a friend that has a pink Christmas tree every year, which I think is so fun. Here's a gorgeous one, Merry Christmas. Ooh, look at that fun pattern on that bell. I wonder where that comes from. Here we go. Here's another one with those gorgeous, gorgeous plaid patterns. Now look at how beautiful this one is. Michelle made this one. Look at that bell. Doesn't it almost look real? It really almost looks real. It's so gorgeous. Open it up. Has a little flip edge on the side over here. Look at how beautiful that is. Here's another one. I love that bow. Now you can do your bell with or without the bow. That's up to you. You can do it both ways, in fact. Look at those gorgeous sprigs on there. Love it. You could even do them in single colors. Look at that. Peace, joy, love, wishing you. Isn't that beautiful? That's also using, oh yeah, more stuff to come. More sneak peek, sneak peek. Here's another sneak peek. You could go for the rustic look. So no matter which way you're doing Christmas, whether it's red and green or pink and green or rustic looking, each and every bell will fit in that color scheme, which is really nice. Or what if you want to go shiny and bright? Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That gorgeous glitter and that foil, absolutely beautiful. Now our glitter paper too, not only can you die cut it, the glitter does not come off, which is so handy dandy, right? Because you don't want that glitter coming off. Here's a gorgeous Z fold card. Look at this, Jingle Bells. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love that. So much fun. I love that. The double Z, look at that. The double Z is so fun. Here's another one. Look how beautiful that is. The big bell and a couple little ones. And last but certainly not least is a beautiful, more simple, which is so fun. Sometimes you just, when you're making 50, you might want to do a little bit more simple. You know, your BFFs are going to get the fancy wancy cards, but then the other people could just get a beautiful simple card, which, you know, is still stunning, right? Now, club members, yours are already on their way to you now. If you're not in the club, you need to think about joining. Not only do our club members get items shipped to them each month on the 1st of the month But they get 15% off on our website, every single item, no exclusions. And they earn club points. They get anniversary gift certificates when they've been in the club a year. They get freebies every once in a while. You need to go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and just watch that video. Just check it out. Find out how much, you know what, you might fall in love with us. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.